hear it.
No, we did say that if we get too lit, we'll take the Uber ride home.
We're at 2D Con, just walking around the market area and artist alley. Time to walk around. Is there a lot of people here? Okay. So we took a quick walk around the market and artist alley. It is a smaller area, so it's not that much, but it's good for its size because the con's small. So now, I don't know, let's go explore the rest of the con since Friday. We didn't do anything and had anything to do because we came late from the state fair. Here's 2D Con. Oh, there's a lot of people at the tabletop, eh? What's this one? Oh, this one's cute! Alright, me and Titi are in the indie games. We got 3 cards. Yeah, I got this flower. It's really pretty. Dungeons and Ducklings. Alright, then we should try this one, Titi. Indie games. We got a trading card, and then because person staff member liked my cosplay, she gave me something for free. Yay. And then Didi got some D&D stickers.
Big dragon.
A dragon sticker?
Yeah, I got another dragon. Actually no, this is a dragon, this one's a Dungeon Master.
Oh, it's Dungeon Master in the role playing.
Yeah.
Oh, and the more you play, you get prizes. That's cool. Thank you, Black Queen. Alright, we got more cards.
This was a 7, it means it must be good.
Yeah, we got more. Wait, dragon cards, yep. Where's that? Oh, what are you guys cosplaying?
We're cosplay meme. We're cosplay meme guys.
Yeah.
Olympic. Yusuf. So, Olympic. He's an Olympic silver medalist for surgery.
Oh, I love how you have that. That's so funny.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking about wearing it, but I like busting it off to surprise you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I like that. I like that.
Actually, I was a second place person in jiu-jitsu, by the way. They gave me this generic ass medal when I got second place for jiu-jitsu.
Oh, really? Alright, I finally changed out of my cosplay because my wig was hurting my head, so I had to change out. I have some other cosplays I could do, but I don't know, maybe later tonight I'll change to it, but I kind of feel lazy. Yeah, it's been a tiring day, I think, because like, you kind of wander about, and then as time goes by, you kind of just get tired, and then we didn't take a nap, so I feel like if we took a nap, we would feel better, but we kind of want to do all the stuff before, like, they close, you know. There's a lot of cool games here, and a lot of tabletop. There's not that many people in cosplay, though, since I don't think gamers like to cosplay that much, but there was a good amount, like a few people here and there we see.
Oh, okay.
Jump when you attack, you need to know.
Let's go.
Okay, so you need to go to last side, you need to go to last side.
Oh, shit.
He's like, now you run this way.
Trying to play this drum game, but we're not sure.
Party game.
Yeah. Okay. We're in the board game room now and playing Mahjong with friends. I'm forcing Titi to play with me because I love Mahjong, but no one ever wants to play with me. Wow! He's betting too! Get some balls to get free pizza. Yeah! Oh! Okay. One more. Alright, let's see it, Morning Hope. Yeah! We got it! Free pizza!
I can hit from this side. Yeah, I hit it.
Nice. Good job, baby. Last day of the convention, Sunday, and we're just checking out the board game area. It's playing some things before we head out home. It's been a long weekend, but super fun. So we had a good time.
Yeah.
How was 2D Con, DD?
Very fun. Wow.
Very fun.
Wow.
Okay.
I like it. Okay.
So close, DD.
I found the organ room.
Okay. 4+. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.